Okay, I'm in his computer. I should be finding the test any minute now.
Okay, good. Be careful. We don't want to get caught.
Oh no, the file's protected. It's some sort of security questions I have to answer. It's some sort of gibberish. I can't read this.
What? Wait, patch me in. Let me see. Oh, those dastardly teachers. We should have known they'd do something like this.
Do you know what this is?
Will you give me a minute? I'm Googling it, okay? Alright, okay, looks like they're common core division strategies. So yeah, pretty darn near impossible to understand at first, but it's okay. We have the internet. I'm gonna walk you through these.
Let's start with this one. It looks easiest.
Okay, group strategy. Okay, let's do this. This is the group method, and it stresses what division is all about, separating a large number into smaller groups. This is our large number, and this tells us how many groups we need to separate our large number into. We need to find out how much is in each group. So 12 divided by 3. This problem tells us that we need to divide 12 into 3 groups. So we're going to put 1 dot into each group until we reach 12. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we have 4 markers in each group. So our answer is 4.
Okay, I've put in the answer. 1 down, 2 to go. Let's try this one next.
Expanded notation method. Okay, yeah. For this method, we need to think about division in terms of place value, taking each number in the dividend at its own value. So the 3 would be 300, thinking about the 6 as 60, and thinking about the 8 as 8. So we look at the 3 in 368, and we ask, how many hundreds is that? 3. 300. So how do we get from 3 to 300? Well, we know that 3 times 100 equals 300. 3 times 100, and we get 68. So now we look at the 6 in 368, and we know that is 60. And so how do we get from 3 to 60? Well, we know that 3 times 20 equals 60. So we subtract that, and then we're left with 8. And so we need to ask, how do we get from 3 to 8? Well, we can't really, so we get as close as we can. And we know that 3 times 2 is 6, which is as close as we get to 8. So we subtract that, and we're left with 2. So we take all these answers, put them in their proper place value, and our final answer is 122 with a remainder of 2.
Alright, it's in.
Okay, we have to hurry. We're running out of time. Mr. Jenkins will be back any minute now.
Last one, but it looks tricky.
Okay, the shortcut method. Alright. Okay, we have to be careful when using this method. It's easy to miss a step. The shortcut version simply takes each number in the dividend individually, without considering place value or grouping, and just looks out how many times the divisor goes into each number individually. So, the steps for this method are Dad, Mom, Sister, Brother, and Rover. Divide, multiply, subtract, bring down, remainder. So let's look at this first number here. 3 goes into 3 one time. So we multiply 1 times 3 and we get 3. We subtract, we have 0, so we bring down the 6. 3 goes into 6 2 times. 2 times 3 is 6. We subtract 0, bring down the 4. 3 goes into 4 one time. 1 times 3 is 3. We subtract, we have 1. Since 3 can't go into 1, we bring down the 5. and now we have 15. 3 goes into 15 5 times. Subtract, our answer is 0. So our answer is going to be 1,215 with no remainder.
Alright, we're through. Downloading test now.
Alright, girl, we're done. Get out of there.
What are you doing?